Go.
Welcome to our first online streaming assembly. I'm Nellie, this is Thomas, Keely, Georgia, Polly, Mr. Conradi, and two special guests we have here with us today, Bella and Natalie.
Please remember this week to learn the goals of the fortnight and act on them. Now I'll hand over to Georgia and Polly to talk about the success criteria.
Remember to listen. Don't talk to the person next to you. Please write the goals of the fortnight in your diary and somewhere in your classroom.
Act on the goals of the fortnight and please discuss the goal of the fortnight in your classroom. We'll hand over to Thomas.
Last fortnight goal was working tough and yard rules. Now I think Mr. Conradi and Natalie would like to elaborate.
Thank you so much. You're doing a great job, guys, for our first online assembly. Now I know working tough's a big thing in your classroom. Can you tell us how you're going in your classroom with working tough?
In my classroom, working tough is going really well and they're all trying their best to work hard.
Well done. And what's your classroom called?
My classroom is called B1RC with a lovely teacher called Mrs. Cartwright.
I would have to agree. I go into that classroom and I can see everyone trying really hard. Sometimes the work can be a little bit hard, but people don't give up. They ask each other for help. Is that right?
Yes, it's right. Some people never give up until they do it.
And we give each other advice and we ask the teacher and we take feedback. Now, the other thing we want to talk about is yard rules. Everyone's been doing really well with the yard rules, but some of the things we've been noticing is please don't play chasey on the playground equipment because we've had a few people having accidents. We've also had a few people climbing trees and falling down and getting quite hurt, so we can't climb the trees. And you know, Portrush Forest is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really lovely and we should never pull anything out of the Portrush Forest because it's nature.
That's right. We've just got a few people. You can make cubbies out of all the dead wood, but please don't break any of the live trees and turn them into cubbies or we won't have much left in the forest, will we?
Yeah, we won't have much left in the forest and we won't have oxygen to be trees away.
Well done. So I've been really pleased across the school. People seem to be working tough in all the classrooms and I see people following the yard rules. We'll pass over to the rest of our team now.
Remember, this fortnight's goal is courage and genuine feedback. Now I'd like to hand it over to Bella.
What does feedback mean to you?
It means to get information from other people's point of view and learn or be proud of it.
Look up the definition of feedback. What does it say?
It says information passed back about something that has been done or said. I've had a lot of feedback about my new book is an example.
Is your reading similar or different?
Similar because they're both about getting information from people when you've done something.
Think of a time you received feedback. How did this help you in your learning?
When I did my All About Me presentation and Emily, Miss Carr, my teacher, gave me some good feedback and some growth points. It taught me to speak clearer and use my eye contact next time.
What types of feedback help you the most?
Grow. It tells me what I need to work on.
Think of one glow and two grows for this week and write them down.
One glow is to be happy mine and Marnie's cubby is filled because it took a long time. One grow is to concentrate on work and listening. Another grow is to give more feedback to others.
Thank you, Bella. The other goal of the fortnight is courage. Courage to me means facing your fears and trying your hardest. Even though you're scared or it might be difficult, just trying your best and giving it a good go.
Some of the events this week include Odd Sock Day and the Autumn Festival. Odd Sock Day is to raise money for Down syndrome. Also, next week on Tuesday is Harmony Day. Remember to wear orange.
Thank you for coming to our assembly and we hope you act on the goals of the fortnight.
Have a good evening.
See you.
Bye.